When you feel like breaking down or crashing in, who do you turn to forgive your sin? When you cried your lonely tears, who will be there to fight your fears? And when it feels like no one would understand, who was there to hold your hand? There are people whom you can't replace. They're the ones who gave you your face. They will love you through thick and thin. They show you the light from deep within. You see, my friend, there is no one who can love you more than your very own parents, that's for sure. Always remember, this is true, that wherever you go, your parents will be there for you. Anne T. Tran, A Parent's Heart, Family Friend Poems. I want to tell you about my family. My family is big and friendly. Look at the photo. It's me. These are my siblings. She is my sister. He is my brother. My brother and my sister are my siblings. This is my mother. She is very beautiful. This is my father. He is very strong. This is my grandmother. She is very kind. This is my grandfather. He is very clever. A family is like a circle. The connection never ends, and even if at times it breaks, in time it always mends.